Welcome back. It's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch. Thank you for tuning in to Captain Crunch DC. Make sure you subscribe and like, of course. Send me messages, I'll respond. Tonight we're adjusting Yiran. All right. Yiran has been a great patient. It was crazy. When she first came in, oh my gosh, she could barely move. She could barely walk. And a lot of times that's, how people do present. Severe low back pain, severe pain in any part of their body, really. So Yiran, how are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great.
Awesome. Oh, that makes my day. She also continues to come in and cares for her health. She does work at a desk, and God bless her, she is dedicated to her job. So she works long hours, and that does mess up your posture. So it's good to maintain your health and keep your visits, periodically. So
Yeah.
thank you. Yeah, good job.
Thank you.
All right, cool. Well, let's get to work. Watch your glasses.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, facing down, please. How is your low back?
It's good now.
Yeah, it is good. I do like that. All right, deep breath in, then let it all the way out. Beautiful. All right, deep breath. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Good. Perfect. All right, turn and face me on your side. Perfect. That was beautiful. Okay, go ahead on your back, facing up. All right, we got a hug. I'm gonna change this angle. Beautiful. The reverse. All day computer work is this forward flexion. So we're gonna reverse that. Perfect. Oh, that was beautiful. All right, stretching out, stretching out. Great. All right, rest your arms. Perfect, that was better. Okay, turn and face me on your side this way. Beautiful. This was the most problematic side, but it feels great. Perfect. Perfect. All right, come on up, have a seat. Perfect. Beautiful job. Well, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for liking and subscribing. And thank you, Yiran, for coming in tonight and being my model. All right.
Thank you.
Sure. All right. See ya.